Philips Avent. Introducing the Avent Isis Breast Pump range, the Isis Manual, the Isis IQ Uno Electronic and the Isis IQ Duo Twin Electronic. Isis breast pumps are designed to stimulate letdown and mimic a baby's suckling action. They are more quiet and portable than any other device, which allows you to discreetly express your milk with greater ease and comfort. Before use, you'll need to wash and sterilise all of the parts individually. To assemble, simply take the pump body and insert the white star valve up into the bottom, making sure the star is positioned to the sky. If it is inserted upside down, there will be no suction. Next, take the diaphragm and stem and press into the top of the pump body. Insert the petal massage cushion into the funnel. Screw reusable Avent bottle or Via cup onto the bottom of the pump body. Click the handle into position on the stem and place pump cover over the top. Now you are ready to begin expressing. Avent have taken everything women love about the classic Isis breast pump and added an IQ, an electronic memory in the form of a motor. The Isis IQ Uno can also be used as a manual pump. To use in electronic form, wash and sterilise your parts. To assemble, place duckbill valve in bottom of pump body. Insert diaphragm and stem and place petal massager in position. Attach a bottle and press motor onto diaphragm stem until it clicks into position. Unit can be powered with either batteries or power cord. Once powered, you will need to prime the unit prior to use. To do this, press down on the blue button on motor for several seconds. An orange light will come on as you begin. This will change to green when the unit is primed and is then ready for use. You do this by applying the soft petal massager to your breast and depressing the handle gently with your fingertips at least 3 times or until you feel a letdown. After this, just press the blue button and let Isis IQ Uno continue your pumping rhythm. You can easily revert to manual control at the press of a blue button. We call this the cruise control of breastfeeding. To use in manual form, just remove the motor and attach the handle. Avent has also developed a double pump called the Isis IQ Duo. This pump is perfect for mothers with multiple births or premature babies, as it allows you to express your milk in total comfort in half the time. The Duo is also based on the Isis manual and works the same way as the Uno, except that it has a separate motor and 2 pump bodies, so it can be used for single or double pumping, depending on your needs. Avent Via cups make it even more convenient to transport, store and feed your baby's milk. Via sterile cups can be reused up to 4 times before being disposed of. Lids and adapters can be sterilised for reuse along with the rest of the Avent range. As you've seen, Avent has a selection of breast pumps to suit your individual needs. All Avent products are designed to work together. This product integration was the first of its kind and remains a distinct advantage of the Avent feeding system. We call this the Avent Advantage.